What's the meaning of bookworm? Bookworm. Bookworm.
Bookworm. Bookworm. A bookworm is a term used to describe a person who loves reading and spends a lot of time engrossed in books. They are often avid learners and enjoy the process of acquiring knowledge. While the term can be used affectionately, it can also have negative connotations when describing someone who is overly obsessed with reading to the point where they neglect other aspects of their life. Despite this, being a bookworm can have many benefits, including improved language skills, better memory retention, and increased empathy and understanding of others. Ultimately, being a bookworm is a personal choice and can bring joy and enrichment to one's life.